When I was a kid, I was definitely guilty of playing with my food. You play with your food?
Mm-mm.
Yes, he does. I always said to myself, I want to grow up and play with my food and get better at it. I feel like I'm pretty good at playing with my food.
Mm-hmm.
You want to play with some food today?
Mm-hmm.
Today we're going to make a breakfast, but a very special breakfast because my son, Titus, is going to walk us through one of his favorites, s'mores French toast.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be good?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yep.
Man of very few words. What?
I got the eggs covered.
We don't need eggs?
Nope,
Oh.
I got the eggs covered. One last thing we need.
I don't think those go in your recipe, dude.
Well, they do now.
Don't you cry no more.
Good job. How are your ladies?
Good.
Pretty good. Actually, one of those is pretty tiny. What's with the tiny one?
This is why it's small. Because if a chicken lays twice, you're going to get one small one.
Twice in one
big
day.
one. Mhm.
So that's the little tiny one?
Yep.
Look how cute. It's like a quail egg.
Yep.
We've never had quail eggs. We should raise some quail. All right, let's get started. Why don't you grab 2 pieces of bread, and we'll start with Nutella. Yeah, grab 2 pieces of bread. Bring them right here. So, French toast is really, really simple, but we are taking it to an all new fun level because we have chocolate and marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Yeah, all right, grab the Nutella and a knife and go ahead and add your chocolate to one, just like you're doing peanut butter and jelly. I'm gonna grab 2 of these eggs. Hey, which one of your chickens does the speckled?
Buttercup, but that's a black one because the black ones sometimes make
The black chickens?
Yep.
That's the
black ostrolops.
Got it. And what about this one?
And that's a black ostrolops too. They're
Oh.
both black ostrolops, but sometimes black ostrolops lay some speckles. But most of the time, cochins make
Oh.
speckles.
Good to know. We need 2 eggs. So we're gonna go 2 eggs. Go ahead and grab your chocolate. Put it on like you're doing peanut butter and jelly. So French toast is really, really simple. So getting a chance to play with it and add a few other fun ingredients just makes it a lot more fun, don't you think, buddy?
Yep.
So let's add, hey, you know what, can you hand me that milk real quick? Grab me that milk. Oh, thank you so much. So we just got 2 eggs and some milk. Titus, you've actually never made this all on your own. You think you'd go to make this by yourself next time?
I don't know.
I think you would. That's a good job. All right, do you want more chocolate or more marshmallow fluff? Or equal parts?
More marshmallow fluff.
More marshmallow? Well, here, switch me. Grab the marshmallow, and I'll do the marshmallow side.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, sir. All right, that looks great. Here, you tell me when is enough on the marshmallow. Oh, that looks pretty good. I'll do a little bit more.
I just want to lick it.
You want to lick it?
Yeah,
You want to lick what? The fork? The knife?
the knife.
Well, you would. All right, let's go all the way out to the edges. Now, the beautiful part about this is it's still spreadable while it's smooth. While it's cold. When it gets hot, it is going to get crazy melty and delicious. I feel good about that, buddy. Why don't you go ahead and make your sandwich? You know what? Let's do a little bit more. Do a little more in there. A little bit more. Here, trade me. I'll take that knife. You take this one, and you can eat that one.
Tastes like marshmallows.
Oh, good. Then we're in the right place. All right, that looks great. Cut. There we go. All right, put your sandwich together. Go ahead and put the marshmallow side on top of the chocolate side. Right. Whoa, dangerous business. Whoa.
That's coming off.
Dude! Got it? Good work. I added just a little bit of ground cinnamon to my eggs and milk. Let's whisk that in so we don't have too many lumps. All right, buddy. Now what we're gonna do to make French toast, we put our bread into our egg mix. So go ahead and put it in there.
Okay. The entire thing?
The entire thing. Perfect. Watch. Can I get it around the sides? If you go up on the side like this, see how it kind of scoots up?
Mm-hmm.
Then we're gonna switch sides like that. What do you think about that? Easy?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now grab that butter for me. We need to do something to cook it in. So come over here. Can you reach up there or should I do this part?
I can.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open our butter up. Let's just hold it like a stick and you're gonna draw like a crayon.
Okay.
Okay, so draw like 4 big circles over there.
4?
Yeah. It's hot, careful. Good job. Keep going. No, right in one big spot. I mean like this. You're just drawing faces. Yeah, we'll let that melt. There we go. Fill in the circle. Perfect. Now I'm using unsalted butter, as always.
My hand's getting hot.
I know, right? Woo, got it. Unsalted butter, for sure. Now here's what we're gonna do, dude. We're gonna take our beautiful sandwich and go right down in that butter. Let some of the excess egg fall off so it's not too coming in. We're cruising. You know what we need now? 3.5 minutes, and then we're done. Yeah, pretty easy. The amount you cook your French toast is 100% up to you. What I mainly look for is color and texture, so that 2-minute mark is pretty good. I have my griddle set to low, so let's flip it over. Tess, check this out, dude. See how we did? Oh yeah, texture for days. Can I show you a trick?
Well, you got some on there.
Oh well, let's get it back. If you slide up to the edge, you can get a little bit of texture and crisp on that back side of the bread. It's a Todd Tobin special. You know Todd. Did you show Todd your chickens when he was here?
I do not think so. Maybe.
Tell Todd through the camera, say, Todd, next time you're here, we're
Todd,
hanging out.
next time you're here, we'll hang out.
Once your French toast is done to your liking, we are ready to eat. You ready for this, Titus? Dude, how gorgeous. Woo!
Shouldn't we put it on the plate?
Let's cut it, then we'll put it on the plate, but great suggestion. So, on the inside of this...
I bet it's going to look crazy.
Nutella, marshmallow fluff, s'mores.
Oh
Dude,
my.
we have...
That looks
let's
so
do this.
good.
Let's do this move. Here, you know what? I like your idea. Let's put it on the plate. Here we go. A nice white plate, just for contrast.
I'll take that piece.
That one's yours?
Yeah, because it has the most
marshmallow?
Marshmallow, yeah.
Oh, dang. Dude, how good does that look?
Better than s'mores, I guess.
Are you going to share with me, or is that all for you?
We can share.
We can share.
You get the more chocolate, I get the more marshmallow.
All right, buddy. All right, you have this one.
Yep.
And I'll take from over here.
Yes.
Can you get to it? Try to cut it. Oh, good move.
Ah!
You can do it. You can do it. Might have to pick it up and eat it like a sandwich.
Maybe. I don't know if it's hot.
Dude. Probably not the healthiest of breakfasts. Why not?
Too much sugar.
That's right. But it is delicious. Maybe it'd be dessert. It'd be dessert.
Maybe.
Can you pick it up with your hands? Is that easier? Here, let's do it. Here, you take that one. I'll take this one.
Yeah, finish this.
No, this one's mine. You crazy? Grab that one.
I got that.
All right, s'mores,
Woo!
French. Oh, that's
This
too.
is hot.
Here, try this one. That one hot?
Yes.
S'mores French toast. Cheers for the win. Is it delicious? Did we win?
Yep.
You gonna make these for yourself? Good work. This is a fun one. Have your kids come hang out, find some fun, simple
I just got a
recipes.
whole lot of that marshmallow stuff.
Get a whole lot of that marshmallow stuff and have a good time. You wanna cook with me again in another video?
Yeah.
What do we wanna make next time?
Pizza with raspberries on it.
Raspberry pizza?
Maybe.
All right, we'll figure that out. See you guys in the next video.